Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make Naseberry juice. I promised you to do a vlog on Naseberry, so today I'll show you how to make Naseberry juice, guys. First, you have to make sure that your fruit is clean, okay? Because there will be no stripping of the skin when it comes to this fruit. Everything will be blending, so your fruit has to be very clean, okay? So within, so without, okay? So first we need to get rid of the seed, because the seed is very tough. It will hamper the blender, so we have to get rid of the seed, guys. So this is where we dice it up. We dice it up very nice so it can go in the blender and blend without any problem. You see how good it looks, guys? How beautiful the color, the texture. Yes guys, this is very beautiful fruit. So here we are in the blender now, ready to be blended. Ready to be blended, guys. So now we'll go ahead and add our water, guys. Not too much water, because this fruit is consists of some water. So we'll just add enough, guys. Hey guys, now that our fruit is blending, I'll tell you a few benefits. This fruit consists of vitamin C and E, which helps to reduce inflammation and ward off skin condition. This fruit also has a natural acid, which also provides extra moisture and nourishment for dehydrated skin. Guys, this fruit is very beneficial, guys. Very beneficial. Okay, you see how rich it is? This fruit is very rich and natural, guys. So guys, now that my juice is blended, I'll go ahead and add a little vanilla and nutmeg for spice. So guys, now that my spice is in, I'll go ahead and stir it up to make sure everything is involved. See how rich it looks, guys. See how rich it looks. It's very rich, guys. Beautiful. Okay guys, now my juice is finished and ready to drink. I'll go ahead and pour out mine in a glass. Guys, this juice also is healthy respiratory function it provides, guys. Naseberry is known to break down mucus, assisting with circulation and respiratory function, guys. It is also known to cleanse your body of mucus. Okay guys, this fruit is very good. Guys, the high vitamin C content in Naseberry makes it a great immune booster, guys, so you can fend off cold and infection. There is no additive, no preservative. This is all natural, straight up juice. Guys, this is everything. I wonder if we could have just make a little splash around in it to see how it tastes. You know what? No guys, this is already natural. I will not mix it with nothing unnatural. Alright, this is everything that you can get from a juice. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your support. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Please share and thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Guys, tell me what do you think in the comment section. Should I have put a little dash of rum in it?